Hi everybody, it's Miss Meg from RDC. Kate is on vacation, so today we are in my kitchen for cooking. So I want to go through everything from the veggie box. We have kale, tomatoes, garlic, and onions, peppers, and zucchini. So the first recipe we're gonna make is right here, green beans with tomatoes. I forgot the green beans. Green beans. So for this recipe, we need cooking oil, salt, pepper, and the veg. First, we're going to take 2 cloves of garlic and half an onion and chop them up real small. There's our garlic, the onion, and then a little bit of cooking oil, like that. And we're gonna turn it on to medium heat. Next, I washed all of my beans and I cut them into smaller pieces, and I'm going to steam them. So put some water in my pot. And we will cook the green beans on high. My tomato, and I'm going to put it in with the onion and the garlic. And I want it to get really hot and make a sauce. Now my tomato sauce is done and my beans are done. So I'm going to put the tomatoes on my green beans. And then you can add salt and pepper if you like, or hot sauce. I really like hot sauce. For the kale chips, we wanted to put the oven to 275. So preheat the oven for 275. So to make our kale chips, we want to take the leaf off of the stem like this. So this we can just throw away. And then we want the kale to be in pieces about this big. So here I have my ripped up kale pieces, and I'm gonna add a little bit of oil and salt and pepper. And then I'm gonna put it on a baking sheet like this and kind of mix it up. Spread it out. And then I'm gonna put it in the oven for 20 minutes or so. So we'll take that out in about 20 minutes. All right. So I'm getting my kale chips out of the oven. And they're really hot. Let's see. So that's all for this week. If you have any questions about any of your veggies, please ask any RDC staff member like me or Kate or Miss Anna or Miss Carly, and we'll see you next week.